example of Bitcoin that has been doing really, really well. A lot of people have been asking me about Bitcoin. Now, we don't have actual Bitcoin on this platform. Okay, so the closest thing we have are the stocks that are moving in correlation to Bitcoin. Now, most people have heard of this company, Mara. I mean, I call it Mara, but it's Marathon Patent Group. The Mara has been moving step by step with what Bitcoin has been doing. Okay, we first got our buy signal on Bitcoin, the most recent buy signal back in January, February, right around here. Okay, go there. It was telling us to buy by February 3rd. It was saying, look, don't buy anymore. Don't buy anymore. It started going higher. Now you might be wondering, hey, I could have still bought here and made more. That's true, but then now your risk is becoming higher. So what we're trying to do is minimize our risk by making sure we get in a little early so that if we have to get out, our risk is a lot less. Even with this big drop that we saw here, the R.I.P.E model was not telling us to do anything on that day. And notice that all this time we're just saying, wait and hold, wait and hold. Even on this candle it says wait and hold, wait and hold. But notice what it's saying today. Okay, so this is where I'm getting a lot of people asking me questions. What do you think about Bitcoin? What do you think about Bitcoin? And my answer is you definitely want to go place a stop on your Bitcoin shares. And it might not be a bad idea to really start looking into placing a stop on Bitcoin. The same thing is going on with the Stockholm riot. A lot of people are aware of that. Same thing, you know, going up, going up, going up. But it went higher and higher and higher and higher. And then even with this red candle, it's like everything is still fine. Everything is still fine. But notice what it's saying now. This is today. Notice what it's saying. Look, you might want to go ahead and place the stop on your long position. So what would we do? We zoom in right here. We'll take the last two candles. Now that we know this is what it's telling us, we'll take these two candles here. Find out which one has the lower low. Obviously, this one has a lower low. And that lower low is at what? You can see the low by looking at the numbers up here. Okay. And so the low on this candle is 59.70. 59.70. All right. So we'll take 59.70, multiply that by 0.997. That's what we do. So we go over here to our handy dandy calculator, and we say 59.7 times 0.997. That comes out to 59.52. Okay. If I wanted to round it down, then I'll go 59.50. All right. That's where my stop will go on a stock like Riot. Does that make sense? We'll place a stop there. We're done. Whatever happens tomorrow, we'll either get stopped out or we won't. But I don't have to sit down there wondering what I should do or should not do anymore. It's all done. Okay. I'll show you this as well. I know a lot of people have been talking about cannabis stocks.